Before entering the centrifugal separator, the dirty oil passes through the heater, which reduces its viscosity by increasing the temperature. The lower the viscosity, the easier it is to remove impurities from the dirty oil. Dirty oil is fed into the bowl through the inlet pipe and is pumped via the distributor towards the periphery of the bowl. When the dirty oil reaches slots of the distributor, it will rise through the channels formed by the disc stack where it's evenly distributed. Dirty oil is continuously cleaned as it travels towards the center of the bowl. When the cleaned oil leaves the disc stack, it rises upwards and flows over the level ring and enters the oil pairing chamber. The oil is pumped by the oil pairing disc and leaves the bowl through outlet. Separated water, sludge and solid particles, which are heavier than the oil, are forced towards the periphery of the bowl and collected in the sludge space. During normal operation, the outlet for the upper pairing disc is closed by the water drain valve.